Dreaming of turning your words into income? Let's dive into how you can make serious money on Inkitt, a platform built for authors like you. Inkitt offers exciting avenues for authors to monetize their passion. And it all starts with understanding their programs. The primary way authors earn is through Inkitt's exclusive paid reading programs to be considered. You'll need to have a complete story that's already building an audience. Inkitt actively scouts for engaging content. So focus on crafting compelling narratives that keep readers hooked. Building a loyal readership is your golden ticket. Engage with your readers. Respond to comments, participate in discussions, and let them feel a part of your writing journey. The more engaged your audience, the more attractive your story becomes. For Inkitt's monetization opportunities, think of your readers as your biggest supporters and potential revenue stream. Optimizing your story's performance is key to maximizing your earning potential. Pay close attention to reader metrics. High reader retention rates and story completion percentages signal to Inkitt that your content is captivating. Actively promote your story outside of Inkitt on social media platforms and writing communities to drive new readers to your profile. Consistent updates and a strong cover image also play a vital role in attracting and retaining readers. By focusing on quality content, audience engagement, and performance optimization, you can transform your Inkitt stories into a sustainable income source. Happy writing and happy earning.